Hey everyone, here is the quick tutorial of how you can send bulk messages using whatswaves. So first thing first, if you don't have desktop or laptop, don't worry. You can do the same thing using your mobile phones. Just use desktop version of any browser you are using. So here is my desktop. So now, to add your WhatsApp, just click here on WhatsApp. Now, to add account, just click on add account. Now you can see the QR code, just scanning using your mobile phone, or if you can't scan it or you can't see this QR code, just click here to reconnect. I have already added my WhatsApp account, so I won't add right now, okay? So now, to send bulk messages, click on WhatsApp. Now, to send bulk messages, you need to have contacts, okay? So just click here on contact section. To add contact, click here add new. Now create any group name. I am taking YouTube campaign 2 for this, okay? Just click submit here. Now to add numbers in it, click here. Click on import button. You can either import numbers using CSV file or via phone. To import number via CSV, you can directly import from here, and to add numbers manually, click here and add it like this. Here is the validate example. You can see I am taking any 3 numbers. You can add as much any number you want. Okay, now click here. Click the number which you want to add with the country code. I am taking only 3 numbers for this. You can add as much as number you can add. Now click submit. To send bulk messages, click on bulk message button. Click here to add new campaign. Select the profile, your WhatsApp profile. Now add any campaign name. For this I am taking YouTube campaign name. Any campaign name you can set. Now click the select. Click the group whom you want to send. Now you can even send them multimedia message. I am not sending here right now, okay? Click the message which you want to send. How are you? Now you can even schedule it for later. I am currently posting it right now, okay? Now select the seconds. Click on schedule button to send. Now you can see I am reloading this page. All messages have been sent it. Thank you.